Dumela. Good morning, South Africa. Wait again. Ke nya go addressa moloi o wa dudola o. Le re ke mang? Zandile. Ke nya go mo addressa. E re botse mo Zandile ne. Zandile re go botse go stadium hona. A re nthe thina moteto wa hao o wa tlisa boloi le bo hatred ka mole. E re go botse taba re o e bone go Moses Mabida Mazimbabwe ba na attitude eo. O bolela motete. O bolela motete ngwanyana. O bolela melomo ya hao ya o lekella eo. A ke nya go fora. Ntho e boneng eo ya iteng. Nke o e bone for real. Nke sala wa record. Nke o ditse video. Nke o ditse video re bona ka nnete ba na attitude na. Ke tsama stadium nna. Ka attenda stadium re jaiva le Mazimbabwe ma Nigeria ba botlhe ba go stadium. A iteng yo tseo. A ba re fa attitude batho ba. Attitude kwena. Attitude kwena Satan. Ka o botsa Satan tlo ta ka maka kwa lo re batho Mazimbabwe na attitude dingi na ba go o bolela maka man. O bolela maka wena man sis Satan kwena. O melomo o lekel wa gafa wena. Go stela mona tlo jaiva le Mazimbabwe le ma Nigeria ao whoever can tell batho ke di brother stana le sita sbana tlo jaiva le bona go stadium and a ro stopa kwena and na ro tlisa xenophobia go stadium o utlwa moloi kwena o re tlohele go stadium o ile masepa wa irang wa le dithepatso tsa mang le tsona tsa bontate ka morao wa hao sa nye go re seleka wena o le wena yourself o le Zimbabwe weta wa rata ra o rate mara rena phata le wena o le Zimbabwe le wena self sa nye go re seleka wena Sathane kwena go stadium mona o tla ka motete wena wa nyela yes o ba botse le banna bo tsamang le bona re meteta lena man le tla ka masepa fela mo ntho e boneng e go Durban o ne ira halo bone mmahao vela fa o thwa attitude maybe o bone mmahao you are mad afa ba thwa South African attitude maybe ha na le Zimbabwe le fine South African attitude nke sala wa tsa video wa re bontsha hore ka nnete o irile ntho eo o ska re botsa chilo re botsa nyona bloody shit.
Hi, dear Zandile, Mrs. or Miss or Mnomzana or Dr. Angas Bazakubiza. Wena Zandile kahle unenkinga namaZimbabweans, unenkinga esiras gabi namaZimbabweans. But let's come to the fact. Just tell me something. Do you only recognize Zimbabweans as foreigners in South Africa? Secondly, please, can you show us? Don't use your stinky, dirty mouth saying South Africans, they were hurtful, or South Africans, they even said that. Can you show us a clip of a video where the South Africans, they were saying they're hurtful about Zimbabwe? Since you were there at the stadium to predict what is happening, you were not there to watch football. You didn't go there to watch football. Can you show the world and show FIFA the video where South Africans, they were saying they're hurtful about Zimbabweans? You've got a really problem. I think I'm not sure whether your medulla oblongata is functioning very well. I don't even know, because you're problematic with Zimbabweans. It has gone to an extra length that you yourself, as a black African woman, you only recognize Zimbabwean in this world as a foreigner in South Africa. You know what? Bathi ngesizulu zidla belindile. Uyabona lento oyenzayo sisi, maybe mhlawumbe ayikufanelanga ungakhathali ende ungadina bengabe bekupraise manje ukhukhumala uphakamisa amahlombe sisi wenza yonke into oyenzayo. Ube careful. Politics and footballs, these are two different things. Do not ever try and ruin the careers of the fathers who are providing for their families, okay? Because you've got anger against the Zimbabweans, my dear. Why when uthi usufika e-stadium, why ungazange uthi like isicela ukuthi ama-Zimbabweans ke angene ngama-ID or angene ngantontoni? Buyeleni vele stadium ezisithi ngifuna uqamba amanga, ungcolile, umdaka, ubolile. That's it.
No, when it comes to sport vele we cannot mention ama-leaders. Uzandile nje katshele straight ukuthi kathatha idudula yakhe ahamba ayi-apply emkhukhwini, ayi-apply lapha afuna uyi-apply yona. Abasuke duzane le-sport. Ebholeni abantu kabahambe bekhululekile. Ngeke sizwe ngoZandile nje. ngeke sizwe ngoZandile kwayona iSouth Africa le ayihambi yini kuyadlala kwamanye amazwe ayihambi kuyadlala kwamanye amazwe iyahamba isadlala kwamanye amazwe ndi bayahamba beyikampana beyisiyisupport kwamanye amazwe yona iZimbabwe neSouth Africa siqalisa ukudlala today yini osokumele uZandile abuyazositshela sithena athi yona kule tension asayibone namhlanje ngathi vele kuhleli zidlala kunini sidlala as we are speaking right now qeda kuphela ilokuzeni iKhosafa ibidlalela eBloemfontein amazonke abekhona kwaphela including iZimbabwe ibikhona idlala every year every after 2 years iKhosafa ihlala idlala eSouth Africa and ihlala ihost eSouth Africa and iZimbabwe ihleli idlala lapha asikazi sezwa yonke udoti lo sesukuzwa today ngokuthi namhlanje stadium sokuhamba uZandile kuphela sokumele sizokuzwa udoti wonke lo hayi madoda sizwe uZandile yahlanya lo khona by the way yazi enye into abantu abatshelana ngayo sokuthiwa iZimbabwe ayila ama stadium iZimbabwe all along ibisebenzisa istadium zayo ibisebenzisa inokuzeni International Sports Stadium la eseHarare kuma kunqa idlala amalokuzeni even iBafokeng Stadium I remember when was that where ilokuzeni iPirates lapha yakadlala kwa le FC Platinum ilokuzeni iBafokeng Stadium kuBulawayo when was that I think when was that? Is it 2017, 2016? But eminyakeni leseduze ama stadium eZimbabwe abesevele sebenza but recently kola FIFA khona yathi no you need to improve your stadium to meet FIFA standard yabo which I believe vele ukuthi with no time because very National Sports Stadium vele manje is almost ready to ukuthi sisiyaphela kunesta ama games alandelayo vele I don't think ukuthi izosebenza ama stadium emzini nje because ilokuzeni International Sports Stadium eseHarare vele iyabisi vele simitile ama requirements eFIFA basuka lapho bazoyeba lokho bazo renovate iBafokeng Stadium liye koBulawayo usesengathi asizombulizela ngoZandile asonele isport ngathi sichaza kangaka isport isihlanganisa wonke umuntu kwawona ama South African manje so speaking right now balamanye ama country ba support amanye ama teams kubo emazweni kubo UK uthola umuntu esithi mina ngoMan City omunye singwe Arsenal bawasupportelana maku ukuthi isport ibona bafuna ukuthi isport is for South Africans ngenxa kuselizwe ndawo sizukuzwa ngoZandile yahlanya lo
So I thought I should just update you on this.
My ancestors and I, we translated what Zandile said. Zandile said she was so pissed off at the support the Zimbabwean team got at the game, Zimbabwe versus South Africa. She was so pissed off at the overwhelming support, and so were South Africans. They were so pissed off at the overwhelming Zimbabwean support for their team that they were complaining. And I'm like, how stupid is Zandile? A lot of those people in that stadium came from Zimbabwe just for that game and went back home. Okay, they will go as far as Egypt. As long as the game is in Africa, they're gonna go. Okay, a lot of the Zimbabweans were in that stadium. However, I'm not here to talk to this stupid woman who is going to be arrested. I mean, I am for her as resources for South Africa, by South Africans, for South Africans. I'm for all that. But anyway, let me take my mind out. This is what my ancestors are saying. Zandile, the war that you want is not going to happen. And this is coming from the Xhosa, the Jola, who used to be from Robben Island. Okay. That war you want to create, it's not coming. You lost the ball. You started off very well, and then your ancestors took you to the forest. You've lost your way. Therefore, you've lost the support of the ancestors. But besides that, you're going to get arrested, girl. your own government is so tired of you, they want to see your end. You know how they have diluted EFF, and with every year, no matter how loud EFF gets, it's not going to get anywhere. You, however, they will make an example of you because you are a woman, and South Africa does not believe in women who talk as loudly as you do. This is coming from my ancestors. My ancestors, you're wasting your breath and your time. If you were really intelligent, really intelligent, you would get off the streets right now. You would stop making such inflammatory comments. Go back to your drawing board and start to behave like a legitimate politician. You're never going to see that seat of power. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. The Jola have spoken. Bye. Don't shoot the messenger. Okay.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. People are still dragging Operation Dudula President uZandile Dabula after the video last week Friday ngemva kokuthi asuke lapha eMoses Mabhida Stadium ngalesikhathi kudlala iZimbabwe neSouth Africa. When the video wakhuluma indaba yokuthi ubonile ukuthi ma-Zimbabweans they were disrespecting ma-South Africans lapha estadium, uthi waze wevala ama-South Africans athi awasafuni ihlala nalama-Zimbabweans, uthi beka-observer, and she even said ukuthi we are on a time ticking bomb, and now people are dragging girl saying ukuthi uyahlanya usihlama, bayamthuka nje saying ukuthi umixa into letingahlangani ipolitiki nebhola kuhlangana njani na-stadium ngathi besigcwele kangaka, yini ubone njani kokuthi emaZimbabwe bewatselela ama-South Africans. Nakhona wayengathatha ivideo wasikhomba sonke sabona. People are just dragging uZandile Dabula saying ukuthi ufuna kuqabanisa nyalo abantu labathanda ibhola. Le video Zandile uyente last week Friday, but till today people are still dragging her, still basambita amagama, stitching that video bakhuluma ngaye, basho ukuthi uyabhetha, uwakha lidlame ebantwini labathanda ibhola, abantu abathi abafuna ukumnaka because uhluleka ngalati kwepolitics ufuna ngena tindzaba tema-soccer. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.